This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 43 of building the Infinity Gauntlet. In this issue, we're doing the same as we did last time, but on the other side, we're putting the other bit that you can't really make out around here on the forearm section. After looking at the Illuminati and the gems, obviously, not just the Illuminati. That's yeah, people that I recognise as Professor X and I would say Malcolm Reed Richards, not Malcolm. Don't know where Malcolm came from. The Fantastic Four, Iron Man. Don't know about the other two, but there we go. Recognise some people from it. Look, there we go. Oh, we don't get a case for it. But that's quite a nice little display box for it. Well, I say massive display box for it. Assuming it's Thanos' gauntlet. So yeah, read all about it. The centre of the forearm, part 10. Been a while. Another base piece and the same but reversed part, which we're putting in place, also with 3 screws. So just the same as last time, making this now look more like that. Getting there. Marvel Boy is the real hero, apparently. Yeah, we don't know. I think they run out of names, so they just go with Marvel everything now. So there we go. Read all about Marvel Boy. And Brian Michael Bendis. Bendis is a name that I'm familiar with, but again, maybe completely unrelated. So yeah, there we go. That's that. Let's clear all this out of the way and let's get the final part of this centre forearm fitted. Well, I say final part. It's obviously not the final part, but you know, it's another section. We've got another section of base, which I shall put aside. But now I do believe that next time we get to put some of the base together, so that'll be quite cool and interesting. I've already sorted out the 3 screws required for this piece, and this piece is obviously, as I said, basically the mirror of that piece, which goes on here, and we'll go over the top of that as well. Just locks in place like so. We've once again got 3 screws to put in. Again, the mirrored image of the ones over the other side. So we've got one. Where have we got? One. That's a screw hole that it's now got something on the other side of it. So we've got one in there. I should do that one again, make sure that goes in properly. Yeah, it's going the other way, of course, isn't it? So we've got one there in the middle. Thinking the one going up is going to be on the other side, but it's not. The one going up is in the middle. So it's going up over here because it's the opposite of that one. That one there. And let's put this back in. Over that side. And then I shall get this in a better position for tightening those up and making sure it's nice and secure. And that is that. Next time, as I say, we're doing the base piece. I think we've got this middle piece that covers over the imperfections in there. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Looking good. It's coming together. And this is just not even the important bit. This is the icing on the cake that is the hand. I think we're getting back to more fingers soon. So it's nice to get this done. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you for more very, very soon. So bye-bye for now.